Now we'll discuss certain variations that will take place in assignment problem. Okay. So in this is we have 4 different types of methods. That means the variation in assignment problem will arises because of 4 different reasons. The first one that we have, it is non-square matrix or unbalanced matrix. Second one, maximization problem. Third one, restrictions of assignment. Fourth one that we have, it is alternative optimum solutions. Okay. Now first we'll go with non-square matrix, that is unbalanced matrix. So what is a non-square matrix or unbalanced matrix means? It is a form of matrix in which the number of rows are not equal to number of columns. Okay. In such a case, till now as we have done the problems in assignment problem by using a square matrix only. So how we will convert this unsquare matrix or unbalanced matrix into a balanced one means by introducing a dummy row or dummy column with a cost as 0. As we are not going to pay anything, just for balancing it we are introducing. So such problems as we will call them as non-square matrix. So here we have a problem in which we have a company. It is related to the different types of cities and trucks which they are maintaining, and they have also given the different types of distances that is covered in this one. So now in this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 are the different types of trucks, and ABCD are the cities and different types of trucks that it will covers has been given. Okay, now see here what is important data for us means we have 6 rows, but how many columns means 1 2 3 4 5 columns, 6 rows, and in the given problem we have 6 rows and 5 columns. Then can we proceed by using Hungarian's method means no, because it is an unbalanced problem. Now how we'll make? First, in order to make this we need to make the unbalanced problem into a balanced problem. See how we'll start the solution means number of rows. How many number of rows present means 5. These are not equal to number of columns. Why? The number of columns in the given problem are 6. Now this is the given problem is unbalanced. The given matrix is unbalanced. Now what we will do is it is an unbalanced. So now where it is unbalanced, we have 6 columns but only 5 rows. Now what we need to introduce means we need to introduce a dummy row. So to convert it to square matrix, introduce a row, a dummy row. Introduce a dummy row with distance 0. So here why we have taken distance means because all the elements given are representing the distance that is covered between 2 different cities. So with the distance as 0. Now we will form the given problem into a square matrix. See here I have taken 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in the given problem we have only till E, but here I have taken till F. Now we'll copy the data as it is, like given first row, second row 10, 18, 25, 15, 16, 12. Third row 11, 10, 3, 8, 5, 9. Fourth row 6, 14, 10, 13, 13, 12. Next row that is 8, 12, 11, 7, 13, 10. Now F. Now we have the last row. Now what do we do for this last row means, now here we will take all the values as dummy. Dummy means here the cost will become 0. So for all this we will take the distances as 0. In such a case, it does not make a change in the given problem. Now we will move as it is like the previous problems which we did. The first one is reduce row. How we will reduce means the minimum value. The minimum values of reduce row. The minimum values of each row are, what is the minimum value means 8, next one 10, next 3, next fourth one 6, fifth one 7, last one 0 will be subtracted from its corresponding row. Subtract these from the corresponding row. Now we will form the new matrix. Six rows and 6 columns, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now what is the minimum value of the first row means 8. 12 minus 8 4, 10 minus 8 2, 15 minus 8 7, 22 minus 8 14, 18 minus 8 10, 8 minus 8 0. Next one, second one, 10 is the minimum value. So 10 minus 10 is 0, 18 minus 10 is 8, 25 minus 10 is 15, 15 minus 10 is 5, 16 minus 10 is 6, 12 minus 10 is 2. Third one, 3 is the minimum value, 11 minus 3, that is 8, 10 minus 3, 7, 3 minus 3, 0, 8 minus 3, 5, 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 3 is 6. Next one, what is the minimum value means 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, 14 minus 6, that is 8, 10 minus 6, 4, 13 minus 6, 7, 13 minus 6, 7, 12 minus 6 is 6. Next one, what is the minimum value means 7, 8 minus 7, 1, 12 minus 7, 5, 11 minus 7, 4, 7 minus 7, 0, 13 minus 7, 6, 10 minus 7, 3. Last one, 0. So, all will be zeros. Now guys, do we need to do a reduction of column means no need, because in each column already we have every row is containing 0. So 0 minus value minus element minus 0 is ultimately 0. So no need to go for reduction of reduced column. Okay. Now directly we will go for assignment. So here we will write as each column is having at least 1 0, so no need to do column reduction, because the same values that will get. Okay, so assignment. row and column assignment. So first one, row assignment. Rows with only 1 0. Where we'll have only 1 0? First row, the R. Which rows? A row only 1 0. Second row also only 1 0, that is B. Third row only 1 0, that is C. Fourth row 1 0, that is D. Fifth row also only 1 0, that is E. Whereas fifth row all zeros. So we don't consider this one. Okay. Now we'll make the assignment. After this one, rows with the other zeros. Assign them and zeros in that respective column will be crossed. Okay. Now we'll make the assignment. How we will do this one means, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, we'll take as it is data 4, 2, 7, 14, 10, 0. Next 0, 8, 15, 5, 6, 2. Next 8, 7, 0, 5, 2, 6. Next 0, 8, 4, 7, 7, 6. 1, 5, 4, 0, 6, 3. Last one, as usual, all zeros. Now we'll make the assignment as we said. First row, 6th place. 1, 6. Is there any 0 means last row we have. Let us cross that one. Next one, second row. See here, first we have. So we'll make an assignment for this, and the 2 zeros present, that is in the 4th row D, and in the last row also we will cross, because in this respective column all the zeros will be crossed. Third one, see here we will take this one assignment, and the respective element will be crossed here, so it will also be cancelled. Now in the D column we have only 1 0, but it is already cancelled, so there is no assignment here. Now fifth one, see here we have 1 0 here. We'll make the assignment and we'll cross the other zeros in that respective column. Now last row, now in the last row what happened, we have 2 zeros, so leave this one. Now column assignments. How we will do this one means, columns with only 1 0, or where do we have only 1 0 means, to second column only 1 0 and fourth column, which are not squared, not crossed. Okay, only such type of rows, that columns that we need to take. Other zeros in that corresponding column, row will be crossed. Okay. Now we'll do the assignment by taking another matrix form. If you want more clarity, you can draw the lines for each row and each column. Okay, but I am representing only the form A. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. A B C D E F. Okay, now the data 4 2 7 14, 4 2 7 14, 10 0, 10 0. Second row 0 8 15 5, 0 8 15 5, 6 2. Next third row 87052, 87052 6. Next D 08477, 08477 6. Next one 154 063. Assignments. Sorry, all zeros. Now we'll go for assignment. So first assignment here, this is crossed. Second assignment, these two get crossed. Third assignment, this is going to be crossed. Fifth row assignment, this is going to be crossed. Now we will make this assignment column assignment first, and the other columns, row zeros in that respective row will become crossed. Now there is no zero in the fifth column to be assigned. Now we will check for optimality. How do we check for optimality? Check optimality. How we will check the optimality? Number of rows. What are the number of rows? They are 6. Number of rows are 6, because by introducing a dummy as we have made it as 6. Whereas number of assignments, how many number of assignments? 1 2 3 4 5. Does both are equal? Means no. Number of rows are not equal to number of assignments. So the present solution is not optimum. So in order to make this as optimum, what we need to do? Representing, draw minimum number of lines. Minimum number of lines covering all zeros. All zeros. How we will do this one? As usually, like Hungarian's principle, steps that we will follow, we will repeat it again. So first we will copy the entire data. Okay, we have copied the entire data here. Now how we will make the number of, how we'll draw the lines means, first we need to take row which does not have any assignment. Where we does not have any assignment means, see here, D row, there is no assignment present. So put a mark in that respective row. The second thing which we need to do, in this row wherever we have the zeros, mark that respective column. See here, first D row, first column, we have 0 here. So put a tick mark here. Check, is there any other zeros here? It is not present. If it is, then we will mark there itself, there also. Okay, it is not at mark. Okay, the next task what we need to do, in this marked column, if there are any zeros which has been already assigned, then put a mark on the in that respective row. So we have put a mark here. Okay, Now next what we will do means we will draw lines by covering all the rows which has been not yet marked. Okay, which are not yet marked, we will mark such type of rows. So first one, second one, third one, four, and marked column. Unmarked rows and marked columns will be crossed. Marked row, unmarked rows and marked columns. We will highlight this one with the other ones. Unmarked rows, and marked column. Okay, like this as well. Now check, does all the zeros has been covered or no? There should not be any element which is not yet covered by zero, which is lines which is 0. Okay, now what we will do, we need to identify what is the minimum element. Minimum uncovered element, the element which is not covered. So where we will have this one means, I think 2 is the lowest value, equal to 2. Now what we will do, we will deduct, subtract 2 because it is a minimum value from uncovered elements. Next one, add 2 to the intersection elements. That means where we have both rows and columns. See here we have the point of intersections. Okay, next one, leave the value same which is covered but not an intersection. So we have certain points like 0, 0, 0, 0. Line has been crossed, but all these are not the point of intersection. So we'll copy those values like the same and we will form a new matrix form. Now how we will